Hello, my dears. I'm glad to be here with you today. My name is Teresa, and I'm here in Kamloops, British Columbia, on the unceded and occupied territory of the Secwepemc people. Today, it's gray, cloudy sky outside my window because it rained all night long. So the grass is green and had a nice drink, and the birds are pretty happy too. Let's sing our bluebird song. There's a bluebird on your windowsill. There's a rainbow in your sky. There are happy thoughts your heart to fill, enough to make you cry. And if by chance your heart grows sad, you still will smile again. 'Cause every thunderstorm will end. The sun comes after rain. So before we sing our next song, I wanted to do a few deep breaths with you again. When I'm feeling wiggly or excited and I want to calm down, or if I'm feeling angry or scared or sad, something that helps me is to take some deep breaths. So why don't we do that together? So you can sit up straight, and if you feel safe, you can close your eyes, and we'll take 3 deep breaths together. You can open your eyes. We're going to sing one more song, and this one is about animals that you can usually find on a farm. So there's a sheep. What sound does a sheep make? Bah. And a cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo. A bee says buzz. And a hen says cluck. So let's see if you can sing along with me. Ba ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for your master and 1 for your dame. 1 for the little girl who lives down the lane. How about that cow? Moo moo, brown cow, have you milk for me? Yes sir, it's tasty as can be. Churn it into butter or make it into cheese. Freeze it into ice cream or drink it if you please. And that bee? Buzz buzz, busy bee, is your honey sweet? Yes sir, sweet enough to eat. Honey on your toast or honey on your cake. Honey by the spoonful, as much as I can make. And the hen? Cluck cluck, red hen, have you any eggs? Yes sir, as many as your legs. 1 for your breakfast and 1 for your lunch. Come back tomorrow, we'll have another bunch. Ba ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. You know those animal songs sound so well. Now we're going to read a story, then we'll play a sound game, and then we'll do 1 poem, and then we'll say goodbye. So first, our story. Today's story is called Love Makes a Family. And the words were written by Sophie Beer, and she also drew the pictures. Love Makes a Family. Let's see what's inside. Love is waking up bright and early. Love is baking a special cake. Looks like it might be somebody's birthday. Even that dog has a hat. Love is knowing where everything is. It looks like he's missing a shoe. There it is. She found it. Love is finding the biggest puddles. This person looks very happy to be jumping in puddles. Do you like jumping in puddles? Love is lending a helping hand. This teddy bear looks all wet. Do you think he was inside that fish tank? Oh, well, she got it out for him. The fish are probably pretty happy too. Love is watching from the front row. Looks like they made a stage to sing or perform on. That's creative. Love is playing on the weekend. They're having a tea party. Love is making things better again. Oh, I think I know what happened here. Look at this cheeky monkey. They've got an ice cream cone. And that little girl is crying. Do you think that monkey stole that girl's ice cream cone? Oh dear. It's a good thing there's another one for her. That probably makes her feel better. Love is washing away the day. You look cozy in the bath. Love is reading one more book. Love is chasing away monsters. Love is a kiss before bed. Good night. The end. Now we're going to play a sound game. So I have 3 items here in front of me, and each one starts with a different sound. So I'm going to tell you the sound that it starts with, then I'll describe it, and you can guess what it is. So my first item starts with the sound eh. This is an animal. It's a very big animal. And it has big ears and a long trunk. It doesn't have a nose like you and me. It has a trunk like this. And it starts with the sound eh. Can you guess? Did you guess elephant? It's an elephant. Elephant starts with the sound eh. My next item starts with the sound k. K. Can you say k? This item in my hand is something we use to open up a door that is locked. We can also use it in our car to start the car or to open it up too. It starts with the sound k. Can you guess? It's a key. Key. Key starts with the sound k. And my last item starts with the sound s. Can you say s? This is also an animal, and it lives in the ocean, and it has 5 arms. And often if you're on the beach, you can find one of these animals in where the waves come up, right on the beach there. It starts with the sound s. Did you guess starfish? It's a starfish. Starfish starts with the sound s. So maybe today you can find some things in your room or in your house somewhere, or if you go outside for a walk, that start with the sounds eh, like elephant, k, like key, or s, like starfish. Now I'm going to do one poem and then we'll say goodbye. Five little peas in a pea pod pressed. One grew, two grew, and so did all the rest. They grew and they grew and they never stopped. They grew so big that the pea pod popped. Thank you for sharing some time with me. I'll say goodbye now. See you soon.